In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in BKFC account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in bkfc.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of BKFC. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So logging into your account is actually very simple. For that, click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials over here. If you do not have the account yet, click on this option, go to register, and you'll be able to register the account for yourself. But in order to log into your account, click on the field of email address. Now enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, enter your password. Click on the field of password. Now enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in BKFC account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.